song of toucan is like a frog. Grr, grr.
Don't know where the toucan is.
3 spaces. Rainbow, the Fruit Loop.
Fruit Loops.
Rasari toucan and chestnut mandibule toucan. It's a toucan.
Look at that tree, that's cool. Oh, look at that flower.
This is some kind of orchid.
Looks like a magnolia.
Oh yeah, you're right, too.
Whoa, whoa.
These big palm frog, the royal palm. Yeah, so, oh, there he is.
Oh, the iguana's still there.
Still there.
Ooh, it's making some noise.
Yeah, I think it is.
Can you get it, Drew? Oh, nice.
Sitting on a flower.
Can barely see it.
Thing sticking out.
That thing's massive. Are you able to zoom in on it?
No, I don't have the other one.
Oh no.
The December until February, iguana mate. In February, there are many iguana babies.
So
The
crazy.
meat is similar to chicken. In
Chicken?
Panama,
Really?
Yeah.
the Panama called chicken of trees.
That's funny.
But the eggs not good. For me, not good. The other iguana inside the tree.
Where?
Is inside.
Oh, there's one right there, Drew. Can you get it? It's underneath.